15 remedies that work quickly. Hiccups are so annoying. We totally agree, and what if we told you there could be a way to stop them? Now, Terry's no proven cure for hiccups, but many hiccupers swear by home remedies for relief. Try breathing techniques to stop hiccups, like holding your breath for 10 seconds and plugging your nose while exhaling. Avoid fizzy drinks, alcohol, and bitter foods to stop hiccups before they start. Hold your breath for 10 seconds. Take a deep breath and count to 10 while holding your breath, then exhale slowly. Repeat this 3 to 4 times or every 20 minutes you're hiccuping, continuing to hold for 10 seconds after each inhale. This simple trick calms the nerves in the back of your throat that trigger hiccuping. Fill a glass with cold water, then slowly drink it with a straw until it's gone. The chill of the water can shock your diaphragm nerves enough that you stop hiccuping. This technique works best if your water is ice cold rather than just chilled, so try tossing in a few ice cubes. If you don't have a straw, drink the water from the glass, taking small sips. Ask a friend to tickle you if you're ticklish. Although the tickling itself doesn't cure hiccups, the sensation can distract you from them. Plus, laughter can alter your breathing, which can also help. Ask your friend to tickle you for at least 30 seconds. If the first 30 seconds don't work, ask your friend to try again, as long as you're comfortable. Consider asking your friend to scare you too, as this is a common way to startle away hiccups. 14. Lean forward as you exhale to compress your chest. Stand or sit in a straight back chair. Breathe in deeply, then slowly lean forward as you exhale. Stay in this position for up to 2 minutes. If your hiccups don't stop, try 2 to 3 more times. Slowly inhale, counting to 5 as your lungs fill with air. Then, hold your breath for a 5 count before exhaling to a count of 5. This method isn't scientifically proven, but repeating it up to 5 times could help relax your body and relieve your hiccups. Hiccups are a common reflex to emotional or environmental changes. Hiccups are ultimately a reflex of the phrenic nerve, which leads from the brain to the diaphragm. When this nerve is tickled, it can cause your body to involuntarily hiccup to try and soothe the itch. Talk to a doctor if your hiccuping affects your daily life. Constant or chronic hiccuping could interfere with your ability to eat, drink, and sleep. If you cannot stop hiccuping for long periods or continue hiccuping for 48 hours, contact your doctor. Most hiccups go away on their own within a few hours, but sometimes an underlying condition can cause you to hiccup consistently. Avoid eating too quickly. Hiccups can be triggered by eating quickly as you swallow more air. To avoid this, eat slowly and carefully chew your food with your mouth closed. Thanks for watching. If you like this videos, please share and do not forget to subscribe our channel for more videos like this.